It is a hot summer day. It is a hot summer day. I am at home. I am at home. I feel hot. I feel hot. This is my air conditioner. This is my air conditioner. I turn it on. I turn it on. It is not working. It is not working. I try again. I try again. I press the button. I press the button on the remote. Nothing happens. Nothing happens. Oh no, my air conditioner is broken. Oh no, my air conditioner is broken. I need help. I need help. I pick up my phone. I pick up my phone. I call a repair service. I call a repair service.
Hello, repair service. How can I help you? Hello, repair service. How can I help you?
Hello, my air conditioner is broken. Hello, my air conditioner is broken.
Is it blowing any cool air? Is it blowing any cool air?
No, it is not. Can you come today? It is very hot. No, it is not. Can you come today? It is very hot.
Yes, I can. I will be there in 30 minutes. Yes, I can. I will be there in 30 minutes.
Thank you so much. See you soon. Thank you so much. See you soon. 30 minutes later, the technician arrives. 30 minutes later, the technician arrives. He looks at the air conditioner. He looks at the air conditioner. He checks the air conditioner carefully. He checks the air conditioner carefully.
The filter is very dirty. The filter is very dirty. I need to clean it. I need to clean it.
Please clean it. Thank you. Please clean it. Thank you. He works carefully. He works carefully. The repairman finishes his job. The repairman finishes his job.
All done. Please turn it on again. All done. Please turn it on again.
I press the button one more time. I press the button one more time. It works. Wonderful. Thank you so much. It works. Wonderful. Thank you so much.
You are welcome. You are welcome. Bye. Have a nice day. Goodbye. Have a nice day.
Goodbye. Goodbye. Now my house feels cool again. Now my house feels cool again. All sentences are in the free PDF. Download and practice with me in 10 minutes a day. Thank you for joining me today. See you in the next video.